On-the-go eSIM app. The pros, the cons. If you travel frequently, the on-the-go eSIM app promises instant connectivity, but is it as convenient as it sounds? One of the biggest pros is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking they need a physical SIM card. In reality, the app lets you activate local or international eSIM plans instantly, without waiting for deliveries or visiting stores. You can switch carriers and data plans with just a few taps. Another advantage is cost savings. The app often provides cheaper data plans than traditional roaming charges. It supports multiple profiles, so you can manage different countries or devices from a single app. Notifications alert you when your data is running low, which helps avoid unexpected charges. However, there are cons. Not all devices support eSIM, so you'll need a compatible phone. Some users report occasional activation delays or errors in certain countries. Additionally, while data plans are cheaper than roaming, they may not cover voice or text services fully. In conclusion, the on-the-go eSIM app is ideal for travelers seeking convenience and cost-effective mobile connectivity. The surprising truth is that while it's excellent for data, full communication coverage may still require traditional SIM solutions in some regions. For frequent travelers who want instant access to local networks, the app is a game changer. Check device compatibility and plan coverage, and it can keep you connected wherever you go.